Waking up to the beautiful sunny morning. We know that we as people face different challenges each day as we swim through the beautiful oceans of life. We must also remember that in life's struggle that a river never flows through the forest without bringing down trees. Those who choose the path of laziness will always end up as corpses. We live in times where we see many humans, but not enough humanity. We live in times where we see the rich walk miles to digest their food, but the poor walk miles to beg for food. Life is not about rushing, comparing yourself to others, and doing what others are doing. Life is about being calm in the face of trial and doing what is right. Our ancestors say that a warrior who runs away from the battle because of the fierce sword of the enemy only deserves the praises of fools and the thrones of cowards. The lion is shamed when he sees his cub running away from the mere barking of a dog. Love who you are and thank God for the grace upon your life. Never stop working hard. Always be in constant positive move of life. Never stop trying. Never stop believing in yourself. Never give up. The world only praises those who succeed. So be successful in all you do. At the end of it all, at the end of this struggle, one thing is sure. You are beautiful, you are well made, and the world can never be the same without you.